Impossibly thin, incredibly tough. This is the Motorola Edge 70. Hey everyone, it's Walking from Motorola, and today we're getting hands-on and unboxing the new Motorola Edge 70. First up, the box. You've got the signature Motorola minimal design with that subtle logo and Pantone accent tone that matches the device color inside. Inside, you've got the usual paperwork, SIM ejector tool, USB-C cable, and of course, a clear magnetic protective case, which is MagSafe compatible. Then we have the phone, so let's take it out. Wow, look at that. Straight away, this design feels incredibly refined. It's slim, just 5.99 millimeters thin, the thinnest in its class with aluminium that's aircraft grade. It's also got Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, but still maintaining IP68, IP69 and military grade toughness. Now flipping it over, you've got the stunning 6.67-inch POLED display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Colors pop, blacks are deep, and it's got a peak brightness of 4,500 nits, so visibility outdoors shouldn't be an issue. It's also HDR10 Plus certified, so perfect for Netflix, gaming, or scrolling through photos. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor, paired with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. It feels super snappy and smooth straight out of the box. You also get Android 16 with 4 years of OS and security updates promised. Powering it all is a 4,800 mAh battery. There's also wireless charging if you need it, and it's seriously impressive for such a slim design. The best stories deserve the best cameras. The only ultra-thin phone with 3 50-megapixel cameras. On the back, you've got a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, which also works as the macro. The main lens combines with OIS and promises great low-light performance. The front camera is 50 megapixels, sitting in a small punch hole up top. So first impressions, the Edge 70 feels like a beautifully balanced device. Slim, premium, and surprisingly powerful. Motorola has brought together that signature design, strong camera setup, fast charging, and clean software. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave us a comment and let us know what you think about the new Motorola Edge 70.
Hello, Moto.